Pour some oil down onto your waffle iron and place on your fresh salmon. Then you're just going to come over here and thinly slice some lemons. This is going to add very important flavor to your salmon. So just take these, and this is just going to be slid right underneath that salmon skin. Just place that down right on there. Listen to that sizzle. Salmon goes back right over top. Then take a little bit more oil right over that salmon. I'm going to show you this is how to make delicious salmon with the waffle maker. Go in with a little bit of salt. Then also, of course, your freshly cracked pepper. And now this is going to make delicious, delicious salmon. So this oil goes on there. Now ready for it? Come close. Close that right over your salmon, just very, very, very gently, and bam. That is how to cook salmon in the waffle maker. Just get nice and close, see that? Go up front, that is now gonna cook. It's gonna get us a beautiful sear. We're gonna flip it in a little bit. Yeah, you can cook salmon in a waffle maker. Okay, it smells incredible. Coming close, look at that sear. You can hate on me all you want. I know you're gonna do in the comments about ruining the salmon, but that sear is undeniable. Look at that beauty. Now I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Can you just take one more look at that? Come on, that looks incredible. Wow, that golden brown. So just close this, keep on cooking the other side. Hate on me all you want, but this salmon looks and smells delicious. Wow. I cannot even explain to you how incredible the kitchen smells right now. I'm just going to very, very carefully take the salmon out of here, place that onto a plate, and look at that absolute beauty. I'm just now going to season again with some salt. I'm also going to go with a little bit of some Old Bay. And look at that sear. Did this happen in a pan? No. It happened in a waffle maker. I'm going to let it cool for a second, and then we'll give it a try. All right. You have a PhD in salmon.
For a background, I'm hungry.
So,
which is important to consider. On first glance, delicious. The lemon is crucial in a successful salmon, and this fish delivers on the.
What do you think about the texture?
Component.
Like, look at that. See, you have that sear.
It's a bit soft, actually.
What does that mean? I
prefer my salmon a bit crispier.
So I didn't get good enough of a sear, is what you're saying.
Yeah, it's just feeling a bit tender.
Oh,
excessively tender.
Got it. Okay, but flavor-wise,
however, the Old Bay, perfect choice.
It's good
to top the salmon with. It
you
really
like it?
adds depth that your tongue needs when it first hits the salmon.
Any other thoughts?
It's a home run.
The dogs seem to have thoughts. Dogs, do you have thoughts? Do you guys like salmon?
It's simple yet effective, and in cooking, there's two words: simple and effective.